free search engine optimization training course for 2016 Google Ranking World. Hello and welcome. As I've demonstrated to you in this freely available SEO training course on RankYa website, search engine optimization is very easy. That means what Google wants from you and me and all the other website owners is to create useful content designed for people. But if we were, going out on internet for the first time and we have a brand new website, then how do we bring that website traffic? We do that through website optimization, as you have learned. So in this video session, I'm going to take you one step further and show you what I do when clients hire me for optimizing their website. First of all, Google Webmaster Tools is very important for your website. I have a video tutorial that will show you quick and easy way to utilize this particular tool. Keep in mind, I also have created Google Webmaster Tools training course as well. Now in this training course, I haven't shown you how to optimize your images because I have a blog post in this URL whereby you can learn how to optimize your images. The video is included there as well. Now, your web hosting manager will definitely have an option for redirection. Redirection is very important as your website grows, because sometimes certain pages may be deleted, they may be outdated, and so on. So what you want is you want to make sure that there are no broken links and so on. So anytime you think, you know what, I'm deleting this page, then ask yourself, can you redirect that old page to a new page that you may have that is related to that deleted page, okay? So let's have a look. Yes, this is the option for redirection. I'm using this particular web hosting manager, but I work with various different ones and they all have this option for you. Well, most modern ones will. Another one is your file manager. When you go into your file manager, you can create robots.txt file as well as htaccess file. Now I'll show you my local copy of what a robots.txt file looks like. It's simply a text file whereby you can, by placing certain directives in this document, better control and guide Google's crawling process. Now I have a video tutorial as to how you can create this robots.txt file, and while here, let me show you the WordPress one. Let's go into this page, then I know the link should be down the bottom somewhere. In public assets section of my blog, I have robots.txt file, sample robots.txt file. So you can simply press on it, download it. Let's show in folder. And this is the sample file. Now this file is for WordPress only. But nonetheless, if you are operating a different website as in content management system, then I do have video tutorial showing you how to create robots.txt file. Now, another file is htaccess file. Now this may be overwhelming for you if you've never used it before. Now I'm showing you FileZilla. I logged into my web hosting manager and we are looking at the same folder structure as what I've shown you here. Now the reason I'm using FileZilla is I can now see the hidden files, and .htaccess file is a hidden file. But nonetheless, you can within it utilize 301, so you can control that side of redirection, permanent redirection. Furthermore, I've created these sample directives for you just to show you that, you know what, most websites have www.domainname.com as an example, but then you can redirect the non-www to the www version using .htaccess file. Okay, all you need to do is you simply select either one. This for non-www redirection. So if you are saying, you know what, I want my domain to be without www on internet, but nonetheless, Google Webmaster Tools will allow you to set that option as well as preferred domain. Okay. But having said that, what I'm showing you in this video is this. Let's imagine someone was to request my website without the www. As you can see, that 301 redirection is making sure that everyone, including Google, only is aware of one version of my website. Furthermore, your linking structure should always utilize the same URL structure. That means, if let's imagine this particular sample post, so that's the URL. So now, if I am linking, I shouldn't use this version, because now, as you can see, there was a / because that's the correct URL. So if I refresh, it'll go there to the correct permalink, the correct URL. But now if I requested without that / requested, now as you can see, something happened there, and WordPress has done a redirection of sort. But when you are starting to interlink your website, make sure that you only use the one version that includes the www or without www. Okay, that's very important. Now, what else I was going to show you? Yes, couple of tools. Let's have a look at a couple of tools. Screaming Frog SEO Spider. Very easy to use, but you don't have to use this tool because now you know how to optimize your website. Now, I show you this tool because you may have a medium-sized website or you may have a large website. So then you may say, okay, you know what? I had my website for a couple of years and I don't know if there is redirection happening. I don't know if I missed certain title tags and so on, right? If that's the case, you can download this program, use it up to 500 times for free. But if you say, you know what, Tolga, I don't want to use this program, then there are many online analyzers whereby you can quickly take a look at your website. But now you already know how to optimize your website, right? But if you have a medium-sized website, then these tools can be of use for you to consider using, okay? I do also have Google Analytics video tutorial for you to get in there and start analyzing your website as a user interaction so that you can improve it. While we're here, let me show you a plugin for WordPress. I use this plugin all the time. It's a broken links checker, but nonetheless, you can actually download open source programs that you can use to check for broken links. Broken links should always be fixed because it creates a bad user experience, meaning it creates an additional hop as people browse throughout your website. So if there are broken links, then that's never smart, whereby you can use programs to quickly find them and fix them. If you're using WordPress, you can download broken link checking plugins. Now, in 2016, one thing that is very important, and that is mobile friendly test. Your website has to be mobile friendly. If you're using content management systems like WordPress, then you're in luck, because there are new themes coming out in 2016 that are not only mobile friendly, but they are also great for some of them are free, some of them are premium. But it's only smart to make sure that your website renders perfectly on mobile devices as well. And it's smart to utilize Chrome browser or Firefox or Internet Explorer, and then quickly open them up. As you can see, I have Safari here, I've got Firefox, I've got Internet Explorer. And what I tend to do when I work for clients, I make sure that I use all of these different browsers to see how the website looks on certain browsers. Because that's very important, because sometimes your website visitors may be using a different browser. The major ones, Safari, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, should all render your web pages properly. And mobile is very important. That means your website has to render well on mobile devices as well. Another one is, where are we? Yes, structured data. Structured data in 2016, it's coming more popular and more popular, because major search engines like Google are now supporting structured data. It may be a bit complicated for you to attend it on your own, but nonetheless, I do have video tutorials that show you how you can insert structured data if you own a WordPress site. Nonetheless, this is something that you will definitely benefit from if you start utilizing for your own website. Before I say thank you very much for learning with me, keep in mind that I do have private premium courses as well. Content marketing is all explained in Google Masterclass, because backlinks will eventually be very important for your website. If you own a WordPress site, in less than 20 minutes, I teach you how to optimize your WordPress site. But this particular one, Conversion Optimization Bible, is something that I always use for any website that I optimize. In fact, I do have the list here that I explain to you what they are in that conversion optimization course. For a small fee, the returns for you will be greatly benefited for you. At the end of the day, now you have the knowledge that you need to target the keywords, optimize your web pages, and then within very short time, you will not just be ranking in Google, but you will create an authority website on internet by using the insights that you've learned in this training course. I thank you very much for learning with me, and if you really benefit from this video course, SEO course, please do share it with others so that they can benefit from it as well. That also helps me continue making new videos for website owners like you and me. Wishing you great success on internet. Thank you.